Hi, it's Peg, and welcome to day 3 of Art Journal Habit 2019. The prompt for today is duty. And while I was thinking about this, I was thinking about all the servicemen and women, the people who, fight our fires, crossing guards, whatever your bailiwick is. We have a lot of people with a lot of duties. And one of which is a duty that my husband served with, which was the Navy. And I'm traveling this weekend. So when you travel, you take a journal with you, but you don't take a lot of supplies. So you're not going to see a lot coming out on this page. I have some pencils, colored pencils, Derwink ink pencils, and a, just a regular uh, sketching pencil, and some photos, and you'll see what I'm going to do here. First, I'm just going to take a pencil and do a simple pencil sketch on my journal, and I'm thinking about what I want it to say and do. So I'm going to grab my colored Inktense pencils and start just laying some color in on the page. Okay, so what I did was to activate all of that Inktense pencil that I had laid down on the paper with a water brush. These are water reservoir brushes from my friends at Pentel. They were kind enough to send me some of these brushes for a retreat we were doing about a year ago, and I've been enjoying them ever since. They're wonderful water reservoir brushes, and they have a valve so they don't just gush out on your page. They come in 3 different sizes, and they're one of my go-to tools. So, I'm not being paid by anybody. I'm just giving you my honest opinion of this particular product. So I'm going to continue with the watercolor. I will have to dry my page off, and then I'm going to add some photographs and a sentiment. And what this page is about is that duty that we were talking about. And what I want to add to my page is the Sailor's Creed. Now, I'm not happy with this portion because I didn't have my photographs cut properly, and I just glued them down. I had another thing in mind before I glued them, and then I ended up putting them in the wrong places. But, that's the way it goes when you're just doing this stuff on the fly and you're talking to your friends and kind of distracted as I'm journaling. But around the photographs, I am a United States sailor. And across the page it reads, I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States of America, and I will obey the orders of those appointed over me. I represent the fighting spirit of the Navy and those who have gone before me to defend freedom and democracy around the world. I proudly serve my country's Navy combat team with honor, courage, and commitment. I am committed to excellence and the fair treatment of all. So I think this addresses the prompt for today, which was duty. I hope you have an opportunity to join us. We are a Facebook group, which is Art Joy of Sharing. The prompts come from there, and you can use our hashtag on any social media if you are playing along and doing journal pages. We'd love to see them. So thanks for stopping by today, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.